Windows 10 support ended on October 14, 2025, but will Microsoft still update Defender? The short answer, yes, but with limits. I'll explain exactly what keeps updating, what stops, and what you should do next. When Microsoft says, end of support for Windows 10, they stop releasing free OS security patches, feature updates and official technical support for the operating system. Defender Security Intelligence updates continue through October 2028. Importantly, Microsoft will continue to provide Microsoft Defender Security Intelligence, the antivirus/definition updates, for Windows 10 through October 2028. That means Defender will keep getting new malware signatures and detection logic during that period. But definitions are not the same as OS security patches. Defender signatures help catch malware, but they don't patch vulnerabilities in the Windows kernel, drivers, or built-in services. Those OS-level fixes usually stop at end of support, unless you're on ESU. Microsoft also offers Extended Security Updates, ESU, a paid program that provides critical and important security patches past end of support. ESU is intended as a temporary bridge while organizations migrate off Windows 10. Open Settings, then click on Windows Security, then Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection Updates, click Check for Updates. That forces Defender to download the latest security intelligence. If you or your organization needs OS security patches, check eligibility for ESU. Devices usually must be on Windows 10 version 22H2. ESU is available via volume licensing for organizations, and Microsoft published instructions for enabling ESU keys. Here's what I recommend. 1. Upgrade to Windows 11 if your device supports it, that's the safest long-term option. 2. If you must stay on Windows 10, ESU or Microsoft's Cloud ESU options buy you time. 3. If you can't get ESU, reduce exposure, disconnect from networks, use a hardened browser, limit administrator usage. Remember, Defender updates help, but they don't fix unpatched system vulnerabilities. Partially, Defender updates reduce malware risk, but they won't patch newly discovered OS vulnerabilities, so risk remains higher than on a supported OS. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, do you plan to upgrade to Windows 11 or stay on Windows 10 with ESU? I'll make a follow-up showing step-by-step ESU enrollment for consumers and businesses.